Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and battery. This avoids interruptions. Open Settings, go to Security or Biometrics, and choose Add Fingerprint to start scanning. As you place your finger, vary pressure and angle so the sensor records different regions. This improves reliability. Once the first scan completes, follow prompts to lift and reposition the finger repeatedly. Make sure to enroll the primary finger first, because it yields the most accurate template for everyday unlocking. Once the initial scan is saved, refine the template by completing additional partial scans to capture edges and ridges. You should add a secondary finger, thumb, or index on the other hand, to prevent lockouts when one hand is occupied. This gives flexibility. Also set a short secure passcode as a backup. The system requires it for reboots and major updates. After adding each fingerprint, test unlocking to confirm speed and accuracy. If it hesitates, repeat a quick rescans to tighten the match. To finish, enable fingerprint unlock across device functions and optional apps or payment features. This centralizes convenience. If unlocking fails sporadically, clean the sensor and your finger, then re-enroll the problematic fingerprint, often the fix. If a screen protector blocks recognition, remove or replace it with a compatible film. As a contingency, use your passcode until the issue is resolved and make sure your OS is updated, because driver or fingerprint firmware patches frequently improve reliability and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.